Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn points in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already signed up to Filmora with your account, and then you can log in, then open up your account here and wait, it's still loading. And if you want to earn points, you need to join Filmora Achievement Program, and you need to finish the task to claim points. And I'm going to go to the More Task menu. Okay, and as you can see, I have already finished one of them, this task. Okay, I have uploaded my videos to Filmora Cloud Storage, and I have already claimed it. And you can earn the points to get rewards. I'm going to go to the reward center. Okay, and you will be able to claim the VO3 free trial, but you need to earn more points. I'm still low on points, so I cannot claim it right now. Okay guys, and that's all the way to earn points on Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!